We are in a private residence in Norfolk, Virginia. That's right, this is a house. But look what the homeowner has. This used to be a funeral home, and this is an actual commercial elevator from the 1920s. It's an old Otis elevator, so let's take a look at this elevator. This elevator is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that light fixture. Otis. Since this used to be a funeral home, this is obviously hospital sized. It's got an 1,800 pound capacity, and we'll get a view of it from over here. Beautiful old Otis elevator. Your car switch, stop, run. So what do you say we take a ride on this elevator? So yeah, this is a beautiful elevator. Hope you enjoyed it, and that'll be it.
Uh-oh, the video's over. But it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.